for the only one person who deserves this poetry.
According to the thesaurus, and according to me, there are over 30 different meanings and substitutions for the word mean. Jackass, jerk, cruel, dickhead, unkind, harsh, wicked, hateful, heartless, vicious, virulent, unrelenting, tyrannical, malevolent, atrocious, bastard, barbarous, bitter, brutal, callous, degenerate, brutish, depraved, evil, fierce, hard, implacable, rancorous, pernicious, inhumane, monstrous, merciless, inexorable, and my personal favorite, asshole.